class, welcome back. I hope you are all doing well at your homes. In our previous classes, before summer vacation, we have already completed topics like square root and square, cube and cube root. Today in this class, we will be starting a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, comparing quantities. We have already studied bits of this chapter in our previous classes, in our junior classes. So we will recall a bit before starting the actual topics. So in our previous classes we have studied that to compare the quantities we use ratios, and we use percentages. एक example ले लेते हैं to understand it completely. Suppose we have a basket which has two kinds of fruits. ठीक है, एप्पल एंड बनाना. ठीक है, सपोज नंबर ऑफ एप्पल्स आर 5 and number of bananas are 20. There is no other fruit in the basket, only apples and banana. So by using ratios we can compare number of apples and number of bananas. How? We can write number of apples, ratio of number of apples to number of bananas will be 5:20. We can write this ratio in fraction form as 5/20. We can simplify it further, which will be equal to 1/4. What does it mean if we say that number of apples to number of bananas is 1/4? It means that ratio of number of apples to number of bananas is 1:4, which says that number of apples are 1/4 times number of bananas. Number of apples are 1/4 times number of bananas. Or if you want to write in terms of bananas, then we can say number of bananas are 4 times number of apples. I hope ratio concept is clear now. We can write it as follows. Now in percentage form, what we'll do, we will continue with the same example. Now if number of apples are 5 and number of bananas are 20, then total number of fruits will be 25. Total fruits कितना हो गया आपके पास? 25. It means there are 5 apples out of 25. Number of apples क्या हो गई आपकी? Number of apples क्या है? Are 5 out of 25. 5 out of 25. That is 5/25. We have to write it in percentage form. It means we have to have 100 in our denominator. If we multiply this fraction by 4/4, then we will get 20/100. 20/100 we can write it as 20%. It means percentage of apples, इसका मतलब क्या है? Percentage of apples is 20%. As we already mentioned that there are only 2 fruits, the whole will be considered as 100. If percentage of apples is 20, can you tell what will be the percentage of bananas? 100 minus 20, that is 80%. It means that percentage of bananas will be 100 minus 20, that is 80%. Okay. Now we will move on to exercise 8.1. 8.1, question number 1. Question number 1, we have to find out the ratios. A part is you have to find out ratio of speed of cycle to speed of scooter. So ratio of speed of cycle to speed of scooter. ठीक है, कितना गिवन है आपको? स्पीड ऑफ साइकिल क्या है? 15 किलोमीटर पर आवर. 2 means is to 30 kilometer per hour. Now we'll write it into fraction form, otherwise calculation perform नहीं कर पाएंगे हम. Don't forget to write the units, otherwise we will get wrong answer. We can cancel out the unit because they are same. 15 ones are 15 twos are. It is 1/2 in fraction, or we can say that our required ratio is 1:2. This is our answer. Now we will move on to part B. Part B is 5 meter to 10 kilometers. In this we have different units. Different units means we have to convert one unit to another, so that we can cancel out them. तो रिक्वायर्ड रेशियो क्या है आपका? 5 मीटर टू 10 किलोमीटर. यू कैन राइट इट एज 5 मीटर इज टू 10 किलोमीटर. इन फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म आई कैन राइट इट एज दिस. यूनिट्स आर डिफरेंट, सो विल कन्वर्ट आइदर मीटर टू किलोमीटर और टू किलोमीटर टू मीटर. किलोमीटर टू मीटर में चेंज करते हैं. 5 मीटर अपॉन 10 इंटू 1000 meters. Cancel out. 5 2s are 10. So 1/2000 in fraction, or we can say that our required ratio is 1:2000. This is our answer. ठीक है. Similarly, we can do C part. We have to find out the ratio of 50 paise to 5 rupees. 50 paise to 5 rupees. Different units again. 50 paise to 5 rupees. We can write it as 15 paise is to 5 rupees. And fraction form 15 paise divided by 5 rupees. Convert करना पड़ेगा. In 1 rupee we have how many paise? 100. So it will be 100 paise. Now we can cancel out the units. It is 5, 10. Cancel out 1/10. Or in ratio form we can write that required ratio is 1:10. This is our answer. Now question number 2. Question number 2, we are provided with ratios and we have to convert them into percentages. Quite simple. Question number 2. Ratio given है, percentage में convert करना है. It means we have to make 100 in denominator. Nothing else. ठीक है. Ratio given क्या है आपका? Ratio is 3:4. We have to find out the percentage. ठीक है. परसेंटेज के लिए फर्स्ट वी राइट रेशियो इनटू फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म, देन वी विल डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. वी विल लीव दिस 100 आउट ऑफ कैंसिलेशन एंड विल परफॉर्म कैलकुलेशन विद दिस. ठीक है, बिकॉज वी विल यूज दिस 100 एज परसेंटेज. ठीक है. इट विल बी 425. तो 3 into 25 percentage or 75%. It means ratio 3:4 means 75%. Now B part is 2:3. B part is 2:3. Given ratio is 2:3. So percentage form में कैसे लिख सकते हैं आप? फर्स्ट 2/3. we have to multiply and divide by 100. Leave this 100 out of calculation. Perform calculation with remaining number 200 by 3 percentage. इसको क्या करेंगे? परसेंटेज में यूज करेंगे because को कैंसिल आउट होने तक we perform the multiplication. Then 3 6 2 by 3 this much percentage. Answer is 66. 2 by 3 percentage. Now we will move on to question number 3. And question number 3, we are given that 72 of question 3 is 72 of 25 students. So total number of students given कितने हैं आपको? 25. And in this, interested in mathematics. Interested in mathematics की percentage क्या है? Interested in mathematics are 72%. ठीक है, 72% किसका? Of total number of students. How many are not interested in mathematics? Earlier we calculated number of percentage of bananas when we knew the percentage of apple. क्या किया था आपने? 100 से माइनस कर दिया था. Similarly here, not interested students, not interested in mathematics, calculate करने के लिए we will subtract it from 100. तो 100 minus 72, that is 28%. Not interested in mathematics का percentage क्या है? 28%. 28%. अब इसको numbers में calculate करने के लिए, so number of students, yeah, first we found out the percentage. Now we will find out the number of students not interested in mathematics. It will be 28% of 25. That is 28% means 5 by 100 of 25, 4, 7. It means 7 students are not interested in mathematics. Now question number 5. Question number 4. Question number 4. If football team won 10 matches out of total number of matches they played, if their win percentage is 40, then how many matches did they play in all? आपको बताना है how many matches. ठीक है, total number of matches. So we will suppose that total number of matches played is equal to x. ठीक है, next given क्या है आपको? Win percentage is 40, means 40%, and matches won by them is 10. It means according to question, 40% of total matches played by them will be equal to 10. ठीक है, it means 40% of x. We have supposed total number of matches are x. It means 40% of x is 10. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? 40%. 40 by 100 of means multiplication. This is equal to 10. Cancel out. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. It means 2 by 5 of x is equal to 10. Because we want to find out the x, we will leave x alone and then send these numbers to right hand side. 2 by 5 will reverse to 5 by 2. 2 5s are 10. It means x is 25. It means they played 25 matches in all. Okay? We will repeat this question. We were given that win percentage of a certain team is 40% and matches won by them is 10, then how many matches they played in total? ठीक है, then so we will suppose at first that total matches played by them is a random variable, that is x. So according to question, 40% of these total number of matches should be equal to 10. It means 40% of x should be 10. Then you perform the calculation, then this x comes out to be 25. तो आपका total number of matches played कितना हो गया आपका 25. Question number 5. Question number 5 is Chameli had rupees 600 after spending 75% of her money. It means ये 600 क्या है उसकी सेविंग, और सेविंग टोटल सेविंग और स्पेंडिंग टोटल कितना होना चाहिए आपका 100% सेविंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में इसमें सेविंग कितनी दी है आपको? चमेली की सेविंग इज रुपीज 600. ठीक है, बिकॉज दिस मच मनी इज लेफ्ट आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग, दिस शुड बी द सेविंग. और स्पेंड कितना किया है उसने? शी स्पेंडेड, स्पेंड परसेंटेज कितना है उसका 75%. तो बाय लॉजिक आपका स्पेंड परसेंटेज प्लस सेविंग परसेंटेज शुड बी इक्वल टू 100. इट मीन्स सेविंग परसेंटेज, इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट सेविंग परसेंटेज, इट शुड बी 100 minus 75, that is saving percentage is 25. 25% she saved. How much did she have in beginning? ठीक है, she saved 25% of total amount, which is equal to 600. ठीक है, so if total amount is x, then according to question 25% of x is equal to rupees 600. ठीक है, इसको यहाँ से रब कर देते हैं. ठीक है, 25% of x should be equal to 600 rupees. 25% means 25 by 100. Of means multiplication. X equal to 600 rupees. 25 ones are 4s are. 1 by 4 into x should be 600 rupees. It means x should be equal to 600 into reciprocal of this 4 by 1 rupees, that is 2400 rupees. It means Chameli had in beginning 2400 rupees. Okay, what we did, we found out her saving in percentage, then we compared her saving percentage with her saving money and found out total money she had in beginning. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Next question is question number 6. Question number 6 में क्या given है? If 60% of people in city like cricket, ठीक है? Cricket. People like 65% people. 30% football. फुटबॉलर कितना है 35%. ठीक है, एंड रिमेनिंग लाइक अदर गेम्स. ठीक है, अदर गेम्स क्या है? रिमेनिंग परसेंटेज, टोटल परसेंटेज शुड बी 100. ठीक है, तो रिमेनिंग परसेंटेज वी कैन फाइंड आउट. रिमेनिंग परसेंटेज, तो क्रिकेट, पीपल लाइकिंग क्रिकेट plus people liking football plus people liking other games should be equal to 100%. ठीक है, given that 60% people like cricket, 30% people like football, and we have to find out how many people like other games. It should be equal to 100. 60 plus 30 is 90% plus other games equal to 100. This number will get subtracted here. It means other games are liked by 100 minus 90, that is 10% people. 10% people like playing other games. Okay? This is 10%. You will remember this. Next is if total number of people is 50 lakh. Okay? क्या given है? Total number of people is 50 lakh. Okay? Then find exact number who like each type of game. Exact number. Okay, we will start with cricket. Number of people who like cricket कितना होगा? 60% of total number. 60% total कितना है? 50 lakh. 50 then 5 zeros. It means it is 60 by 100 into 50 lakh. Cancel out. It is 30 and then we have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 30 lakh people like playing cricket. Okay. Similarly, we will find out number of people who like football. Football कितने people play करते हैं? 30%. 30% of total number. 30% of total number. It will be 30% of 50 lakh. 30% means 30 by 100 into 50 lakh. It will be 15 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 lakh. And third is people liking other games. So कितना निकाला था हमने? कितना फाइंड आउट किया था? 10%. People liking other games is 10% of total. 10% of total. 10% of this. 10% of 50 lakh. It means it is 5 and 5 zeros, that is 5 lakh. 5 lakh people like to play other games. With this, we have completed our exercise 8.1. We have an example in our exercise 8.1. We will do that also. Now we will do example 1, which is quite interesting. In this, a picnic is planned in school for a class, 60% girls, and they are 18 in number. The picnic site is 55 kilometers from the school, and transport company is charging at the rate of rupees 12 per annum per kilometer. The total cost of refreshment is 4280. We have to find out 3 things. Okay, we will take one by one. First thing we have to find out. First is we have to find out ratio of number of girls to number of boys. Okay. Now we will see what we are provided with and what we have to calculate. ठीक है. Given क्या है आपको? Number of girls. ठीक है. Number of girls is 60%. ठीक है. तो टोटल आपको नहीं गिवन गिवन है टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. सो सपोज टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स is x in number, ठीक है, and girls are 18 in number. So according to question we can write that 60% of total number of students is 18. 60% means this into x is 18. Cancel out. Okay. 3/5 into x is 18. It implies that x is equal to 18 into reciprocal of 3/5, which will be 5/3. It means we have 30 students in total. If girls are 18 in number, then number of boys will be, number of boys कितना हो जाएगा आपके पास 30 minus 18, which will be 12. ठीक है. Now we can easily find out the ratio. Ratio क्या होगा? Ratio will be, पहले number of girls है 18 is to 12. In fraction it will be 18/12. 3/2, or we can write it as required ratio is 3:2. This is answer of part A. In part B we have to find out cost per head if 2 teachers are going with the class. ठीक है. Total number of student is 30. ठीक है. Total number of students आपने फाइंड आउट किया. नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, आपका था 30. ठीक है. नंबर ऑफ टीचर्स क्या है आपका 2, बिकॉज 2 टीचर्स आर ज्वाइनिंग. तो टोटल पर्सन्स कितने हो गए आपके पास? टोटल पर्सन्स कितने हो गए? टोटल पर्सन्स ज्वाइनिंग पिकनिक आर 32. वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट कॉस्ट पर हेड. कॉस्ट पर हेड, ठीक है. और कॉस्ट क्या होगा? टोटल कॉस्ट कितना होगा पहले वो फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं, फिर उसको टोटल पर्सन से डिवाइड कर देंगे. टोटल कॉस्ट क्या होगा आपका? ट्रांसपोर्ट कॉस्ट, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट प्लस रिफ्रेशमेंट कॉस्ट. रिफ्रेशमेंट कॉस्ट, ठीक है. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट इज, we have to, picnic site is 55 km from school. It means we have to go to the picnic site and then come back. It is 52 into 2 because you have to go 2 ways, and this is charged at 12 rupees per kilometer plus refreshment is 4280. ठीक है. This is 110 12 plus 4280. ठीक है. 110 12, it is 1320 plus 4280. Total cost will be 056 and it will be 5600 rupees. ठीक है. Now we have to calculate total cost per head. It means we have to divide cost by total number of persons. Total cost per head will be equal to total cost divided by total persons, total number of people, total number of persons, whatever you want to write. It will be 56 divided by this. Okay, now we will divide. It will be rupees 175. ये होगा आपका 175 rupees per cost, per head cost. ठीक है. C part is, first stop is at, C part is, first stop is at 22 km from school. Suppose this is school and here it is your picnic spot. ठीक है. This is 55 km in distance. ठीक है. This is 55 of the total distance of 55 is this. You have to find out what percentage. ठीक है, percentage find out करने के लिए पहले आपको ratio find out करनी पड़ेगी, then you will calculate the percentage. ठीक है, so 22 kilometer is what percentage of total distance. ठीक है, ये आपको कैलकुलेट करना है. ठीक है, फर्स्ट रेशियो क्या है आपकी, रेशियो क्या हो जाएगी 22/55. ठीक है, दिस इज रेशियो. नाउ वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू परसेंटेज. सो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 एंड डिवाइड बाय 100. 11 2s are 11 5s are 20. It is 40%. 40/100, which is 40%. And what percentage of distance is left to be covered? Distance left to be covered. Total distance will be 100%. So distance left to be covered will be 100 minus this percentage. That is 100% minus 40%. That is 60%. So 60% distance is left to be covered. With this, we have completed exercise 8.1 with examples. In next class, we will be doing 8.2 exercise. Have a good day.